Like, Landon's bigger than your hand, and I was smaller.
Oh, try that again.
You're pretty tiny.
Again.
Yeah, I was smaller than your hand.
Well, not really, but we could hold you in our hand like that.
Yeah, like I was this small, right?
Yeah, that's about right.
Good one, Shelby.
Landon's bigger than that, much bigger.
You want to try it again?
He is.
Scoop again.
Was a big
Ready?
baby.
Ready?
Landon's a small baby.
Well, he was big for his age.
Yeah, he's 2 months, right? Landon's 2 months old.
He
How
looked
old
like a 2-month-old.
Oh, how old is Landon right now?
0
Going on
years.
3 months, right?
Almost 8 weeks. Or, no, he's
How
9.
many months?
Almost 10 weeks.
How many months am I?
Oh, I don't know.
I think
Chicken.
You're
10
60.
I'm 10 months.
You're like 63
I want
or
60.
4 or something. Well,
10 months.
no, you're not. You're like 64.
64 months.
Yeah.
What?
Isn't that crazy?
60
64 months.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you really are.
Liar, liar, pants on fire.
I'm not kidding, Hardy. Oh, great. You know that rhyme now, huh?
Scoop. Scoopity doop. Scoop. You know how to scoop?
So close.
Adam,
Shelby.
I'm petting Ellie by the belly. I'm petting Ellie by the belly.
This brewery was established in 1366.
Hey, Daddy, I'm
Believe
petting
that?
Ellie by the belly.
It's been around a while.